Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another video for you today. It is Saturday, and we have a few sales to pull. I'm going to turn it over to Kathy so we can get going on that.
Hey, guys.
Saturday morning.
Saturday afternoon.
Is it? Oh, my God. It's 12:10, yeah.
So we already missed normal post office.
Slept in, which is good to do every once in a while.
I didn't sleep in.
I did.
Yesterday, but not today. I guess sleeping in probably considering normal people, but like, I woke up at like 9. That's not sleeping in to me. That's normal.
But you also are a very late worker.
Yeah,
like you stay up. Yeah, you're a night owl.
I need to change that, but yeah. Anyhow, sold these Olakai flip-flops for $29.95 plus shipping. Bought them for $3.99.
Nice.
Because we're almost out of boxes, like we mentioned, like the last 5 sales or 5 videos.
We haven't replenished our stock
like a
yet.
lot, but just that's not the ones we use the most commonly. So, anyways, we won't go over how we're shipping every little thing today, but there's lots of other videos to watch if you're new here. If you're wondering how we ship these things. We're still going to back them up and box them up after the video, just like I didn't want to run down and get any new boxes before we started. So this is actually a viewer sale going out to Angie. She bought these energy jeans that actually our viewer Debbie sent us, so those were free to me. She also bought a little cute wallet I got at the bin, so that was probably around $1 something. And she bought these two for $16 plus shipping, so thank you so much, Angie.
Yeah, Angie, thank you so much for that support. And Debbie strikes again, getting another item to another viewer. That's awesome.
Yeah, thank you. That is funny, huh? All right, CK. Petty Ped boots. Sold some snow boots for $17.97 plus ship. I did buy these for $6.99, so not a huge profit. These ended up in that 50% off sale. They definitely would have sold closer to 30 during the winter time when people are starting to buy this stuff, but that's okay. I'll find another 50 to 100 pairs of snow boots for this year. A lot of the sales today actually came out of that 50% off sale, so we do have a good amount of sales. Not the profit today is a little bit lower.
Yeah.
That's okay.
We're moving inventory, older inventory.
Yep.
Clearing up what little space it is. It always seems to be like smaller stuff that sells on the 50%, right?
Yeah.
Usually.
Which is good because, I mean, those snow boots, even though they would have sold for more, I kind of listed them at the end of the winter last year. So, like, I don't know. What if they don't sell again? Right. At least they're selling right now. I still made like a $9 profit. I think that's these are some really nice Converse that for some reason when I got an offer on them last night of $25, in my head I thought I bought these at the bins, automatically accepted. And then when I was doing my shipping, I actually had paid $12.99 for these. So again, about a not even $9 profit, a $5, $6 profit because, 25 on Posh, they take 5, I make 20, minus $12.99, minus, So not very much profit here, but that's okay.
But hey, still a profit.
These were still also listed past our 90 days where we kind of want to move stuff quickly, so not losing money, making a small profit. Converse, I don't know, I think the only reason I paid that much for these were because they had this Cordura fabric, which has done well for me in the past. Normally Converse, I wouldn't pay more than like $5, maybe like $8 unless they were like a super cool platform or like a hidden wedge or something special about them. Right. All right. Sold some North Face pants. Just like a gray zip off where you can do the pants or the shorts. Bought these for $9.99. Sold them on the 50% off sale for $18.97 plus shipping. A lot of the stuff that did end up in the 50% off sale, I think I mentioned this in the last video, was just like, I kind of overpriced stuff originally because I always ran an initial 15 to 20% off sale. So I kind of overpriced that much
to begin with.
Yeah. And now it's all ending up in the 50% off sale. Whereas now that we know we're going to try to do that long term,
changing the way you list a little bit.
Listing lower to begin with, like more normal pricing, and then hoping that it sells. Like it should.
In the long run, we're thinking it's going to save us some time as far as listing and just sending out offers and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So we'll see, I guess.
Yeah. So these are some Hurley, just like a black short. Bought for $7, retail arbitrage, sold for $14.98 plus ship. Also part of that 50% off sale. Actually glad those sold because they're shorts and we're kind of headed out of summer here. Oh, this was a funny sale. This happened on our live. So yeah, again, we're still doing 2-day shipping.
And if you didn't know, we do have a live show every Thursday night.
Yeah.
8 p.m. Mountain Time. We are in Colorado, so.
Yeah. So this Monopoly game, we wanted to use the money out of it just for like personal use. So we took that out and I was like, when I bought this, it was all taped up. I didn't even know this was new inside. We were just going to use the money and maybe toss the rest.
Right.
Whatever. But when I opened it, everything was new. So I was like, well, the game was $3.99. We kept the cash, and then I listed all these pieces separately. The first one already sold, the houses and hotels, for $5.99 plus shipping. So I've already made my $3.99 back plus a little bit extra. And when these sell, which are all gonna sell for like $3-4,
Right.
I mean, that's something. Those were so easy to list. That took like 10 minutes total. So
Yeah,
I'll take it.
for sure.
Somebody can use those for some reason.
And if you're curious, we are using that Monopoly money as like a chore system for the boys, way for them to kind of earn like Robux gift cards and stuff like that. So trying to teach them a little bit of how money works and, you know, good decisions can make you money and bad decisions can cost you money, that kind of thing. So
Putting this one to the back because I know it's in this pile of things here and I don't want to dig through it at this exact moment. LLB. I think I wrote wrong on this one.
Maybe
So put that
BU.
to the back.
Oh, you picked the wrong LL Bean in the.
Yeah, like I see this is LL Bean, so
Gotcha.
I probably just wrote the wrong letter down. So I'll have to double check on that one. BU.
Oh.
These are just a Clark's men's driving loafer. Bought these when we were in Utah for spring break for $8. Sold for $29 plus shipping. Okay, AC. Moving out some more 50% off stuff. Hey,
You okay, Reese? No.
what's up?
I didn't mean to wake you up that hard.
These are just some yellow chino chaps brand shorts. Bought for $4.99. Ended up in the 50% off sale, selling for $12.48 plus shipping. So about a $5 profit there.
Yeah. Oh, he moved.
You gonna follow me? Let me guess. My next thing is in B.
That's what I'm thinking. It's over there somewhere.
So these Spenco flip flops for $29 plus ship. Just bought those last week for $6.99. AB.
Almost.
So these Blowfish sandals on Posh for $15. That was an offer someone sent, and while I do think I could have got closer to 20, maybe even 25 on them, we're headed out of summer. These were actually a fairly new listing as well, but I only paid $4.99, so I just took the quick $7-8 profit and move on to the next thing. Blowfish isn't a super great brand to begin with. It doesn't retail for much, and I didn't want to be stuck with those till next summer, so yeah. All right, CT. So these Tiva sandals for $31 with discount shipping on Posh, bought for $7.99. And those, you can tell the footbeds were pretty dirty. I tried to wash them, but they didn't come clean, so I'm very happy with what I was still able to get for those.
Yeah.
All right, let's dig through here for a second.
Gotta dig through the pile. So this is stuff that's been listed,
Yeah,
just not bagged or inventoried. Not too bad.
So these are a Croc low top duck boot kind of shoe. And originally I was like, these usually, any Crocs that aren't the normal
Croc.
looking Croc, I
Right.
guess,
Yeah.
I mean, sandals and stuff sell kind of in that $25-30 range, but anything more substantial than that usually goes for $40 and upwards. So I was like, oh, these are gonna be good. I paid $10.99 for them, not even paying attention. You can tell there's sort of like some cracking like all over the, I don't know if that shows up in the camera, but like all over.
Oh, like right there, yeah.
So those little gray parts. Anyways, so I probably would have listed these for like 40 or so, but because of that I listed for $29.95 plus shipping. And I was like, I'll just send an offer whenever I get a watcher to just try to get maybe double my money. But someone actually bought them within a day for that full $30 plus shipping. So they still sold with the damage disclosed.
It's probably just a visual.
Yeah.
It's not like it's structurally bad, right?
I don't think so.
It's probably just early signs.
Like, I don't think like water would go in or anything.
Right, but it's not going to crumble like a sketch or a, what are they called? Shape up.
Someone just left them wet and they got cracked. So, anyways, there's that.
Yeah, I didn't even know Crocs made those kinds of shoes. So that's.
Yeah. All right, let me check my spreadsheet for this one. Okay, I don't know.
So you think you wrote down the wrong one?
I wrote down BV, but like I typed. It looks like I used the right when I did our spreadsheet and like typed the sale in. It looks like I typed down the right line, which is I don't know how I wrote down the wrong thing then. Yeah, there it is.
Okay.
So this is going out to our viewer Zach. And this is a Cabela's. It has like a cool lab and
I like that shirt.
Flannel. So yeah. Really nice flannel. He bought it for $20.97 plus ship, and I bought it for $7.99. So about $10 profit or so there. So
awesome. Zach, yeah, thank you so much for all that support. We do appreciate it. And that's it?
That's it, except right as we were starting, somebody bought 2 items, which I think might be a viewer as well. So we'll pack that up and then get that last sale.
All right, I got to go down and get some more boxes, but we'll be back in a few minutes. All right, got those all packed up, and we didn't even have to go down and get more boxes.
So, made it work.
Yeah, procrastination for the win.
I'll see these down here.
You wanted to double check?
I just like, I know I have more silver jeans, but I'll double check the pictures. But anyways, this is a Croft & Barrow like Nordic sweater with the cool like clasps and everything. Croft & Barrow is not generally a brand I'd pick up, but I believe this is either 100% or at least a wool blend, and with the style of Nordic, I would pretty much pick that up, and even like a Walmart brand, which Croft & Barrow, I think it might be like a Kohl's brand, I'm not really sure. And then these are some silver Suki jeans.
Tongue twister jeans.
Yeah, so anyways, I got that sweater for $3.65, and then these I got at the bins, so $1.51. So total into both items, $5.16. Sold to Jennifer, our viewer, for $27 plus shipping. So
awesome.
Thank you, Jennifer.
Jennifer, thank you very much. We will just double check to make sure we do send you the right silver Suki jeans.
Yes.
But we'll pack that up off camera. Was there anything else we wanted to go through today? It's kind of a short one today, guys. It's Saturday.
Which we normally wouldn't ship, but we didn't ship yesterday because one reason or another.
Right. So we're I think we're gonna cut it here. Get this stuff off to the post office. Kathy was wanting to go do a little bit of thrifting for herself.
So I'm just like, I have like no clothes for myself, at least none that I like. And everything that I do have, I've worn like 1,000 times, so it's just like all pilly and stuff. Anyways, so I'd like to find myself a few new things, but also I'm like not in the mood to do that, so I don't know if I'll do it or not.
So it might turn into work, but
maybe work on the bus today.
Yeah, I'm gonna go outside. It is a little warm.
Go to the gym, take the kids swimming or something.
Yeah.
So lots of options. We can do whatever we want.
It's Saturday. We're done, pretty much done with work. It's before 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
So
I mean, I am gonna at some point photograph and list these 15 shoes today, but that honestly would only take about 2 hours, and I can do that when the kids go to bed even. So
for sure. All right, so let's get that stuff off to the post office. Guys, thank you so much for all the amazing support. We do greatly appreciate that, but we're gonna call it here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.